Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click those notification bells on. And when you click those notification bells, click all notifications so you can stay notified on videos, shorts, live streams, free analysis that we do. And yeah, as you can see, the account that we've been growing so far. We'll see what we have from the market today. Anyways, if you want 3 months for free, message me that's for signals. Message me trial in Telegram group, link in description below. We'll be giving daily signals there for free. You just need to make sure you have at least to be able to fund your own account at least $50. Okay, and yeah, make sure to join the Telegram group also. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of the year. You know, we're going to get to those amount of members. Make sure you join so you can get it up there. We're up over 5,000 to 6,000 members by now. And yeah, we'll see what the market has for us today. With that being said, also for the people who don't have time to take signals, you can message me copy on Telegram. And what that does is it connects you directly to my account. So the profit will be split every month, 80% for you, 20% for me. And yeah, you need to have at least $350 to $500 in your account for that. And because I'm using hedging as an exit strategy, you can just research what hedging is. Instead of taking a stop loss, you can hedge out your trades. You make profits to cover your losses. And yeah, it's been my secret strategy for compounding and growing my account very quick. So if you want that, send me a copy on Telegram, link in the description below also. And if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment. And if you want to buy the course, how does the course work? I share my screen on Zoom with you. That means while I'm taking trades, I'll be teaching you. You get the software for free also. And yeah, what the software does is it does the analysis. It tells you the market, if it's bullish, bearish, if it's a long-term trend, short-term trend. You know, they might be different. When to buy, when to sell. It literally alerts you, as you can see in the videos that I've recorded, and it tells you when to take system A buys, where system B buys, sells, everything are, and where to exit, which is the most important thing for hedging. Where to exit, where to hedge. The software shows you everything and it comes through with course, or you can buy it separately on TradingView, which is the most accurate version at hedgingmastermind.com. Anyways, we'll see what the market has for us today. Like, share, and subscribe, and let's see what trade we have for today. Join the free Telegram group, link in description below, and we'll be right back soon.
Hey guys, we're back. I just had to quickly check. Let me just set my take profit because I have to quickly take this trade. I came in kind of late. It's a system B trade. I would have made profits from all the way down here if I knew. But anyways, we also the thing about this trade is we also have this is a system B buy. We also have system B sales. So the market has two targets. It can hit my buy target first, or it can hit the sell targets first. Anyways, we started this account with $10,000. Our first trade was a hedge. Since then, we've been growing the account, and yeah, let me just set a couple of alarms. Anyway, we've been using system A trades and system B trades to grow the account, and set an alarm because I want to go do something quickly. Anyways, yeah, if you want to test the signals for 3 months for free, message me trial on Telegram, and Telegram link in description below. Also, if you want to test the software for free, also the software also comes with the course for free. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. But if you want to test the software first, message me test on Telegram link in description below also. And yeah, make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund your own account, to be able to use the signals or test the software at least, you know. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe. If you want to buy the course, I take it live with my students: scalping, swing trading, hedging. You get the course, we'll be taking live trades, and you can ask questions in between. I'll share my screen on Zoom, or we can meet in person, which I always say is the best. And yeah, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every single comment on the videos. And like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, click the notification bells on and click all notifications. Okay, all notifications, so that way you don't miss live streams, because I do live streams once a week on Mondays now or Tuesdays, and I do analysis and signals on more peers. You can ask questions during them, so you can stay away for short videos, don't miss anything. And yeah, we'll be right back once we're into more profits in the markets. Make sure to join the Telegram group, also link in the description below. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year. And yeah, I know we'll get there. So guys, just like I said, the market pulled all the way down. It's hitting the system B cells first. I'm just gonna add another buy. Yeah, so we'll make extra profit. Like I said, the market can either go down to hit the system B cells first, or it can hit my system B buys first. So the market can do whatever it wants to do. However, I know it's still going to go up to hit my take profits. If not, I'm going to hedge it out. Lose nothing, everything to gain. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back once we have another when we're into more profits in the market. It's still gonna go down. However, it's gonna go up again. When I say the market must go up, it must go up. Let's see what happens in the market soon. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah. All right, we're back. Just like I said, the market hits that take profit aggressively. We made about $215 in the market. It spiked all the way down to full dumb money sell traders, and then spiked all the way up where it was destined to go. So yeah, the market is kind of consolidating. Still made profit from it. Don't usually trade consolidations, but we'll be right back once we're into another trade in the market. If you wanna test the signals for free, message me trial on Telegram. If you wanna test the software for free, message me trial on Telegram. You need to make sure you have at least $50 to fund your own account, just to take the test. I don't want any unserious person. And yeah, we'll be right back with another trading video soon.